Hello everyone. Welcome back to Easy Civil Concept by Sushant sir. Your one-stop destination for learning civil engineering concept in simplest way. Today's topic is one of the most important natural disaster that every engineers and every citizen should understand. That is earthquake. In this video we will learn what is earthquake, why do earthquake occurs, types of seismic waves, earthquake zones in India, how earthquakes are measured, and most importantly, the safety measures we should follow before, during, and after an earthquake. So, without wasting any time, let's get started. Let's begin with a basic question. What is an earthquake? An earthquake is the sudden shaking of the earth's surface caused by the rapid release of energy inside the earth's lithosphere. This released energy travels in the form of seismic waves, making the ground vibrate. The stronger the release of energy, the more powerful will be the earthquake. Before moving ahead, let's understand three important terms. The focus, also called hypocenter, is the point inside the earth where earthquake actually begins. The epicenter is the point on Earth's surface directly above the focus. The area usually experiences the maximum damage. The release of energy travels through the earth as seismic waves, which causes the shaking we feel. There are three major types of seismic wave. First one is P wave, that is primary wave. These are the fastest seismic waves and are first to reach the seismic station. They travel through solid, liquid and gases and usually causes the least damage. Second one is the secondary waves or S wave. S wave travels slower than the P waves and can move only through the solid. They produce stronger ground movement and causes more damage than the P waves. And third one is the L waves or surface wave. These waves travels along the earth's surface. They are the slowest but the most destructive because they have the highest amplitude and create intense ground shaking. So why do earthquake happens? The main reason is plate tectonics. The earth crust is divided into several tectonic plates that are continuously moving. Earthquake occurs when these plates collide, separate, or slide one another, releasing enormous amount of energy. A part of natural causes, certain human activities like large dam mining, underground explosion, and heavy construction in sensitive areas may trigger the minor earthquake. Earthquakes are not evenly distributed across the globe. There are three major seismic belts. The first one is the Circum-Pacific Belt, also known as Ring of Fire, where nearly 63% of the world's earthquake occurs. The second one is the Alpine Himalayan Belt, which includes India, Nepal, and surrounding region. The third one is the Mid-Atlantic Belt, where earthquake mainly occurs due to divergence of tectonic plates. Now let's understand how earthquakes are measured. A seismometer is the instrument used to detect the ground vibration. The recorded graph is called seismograph. Earthquake magnitude is measured using the Richter scale, which is a logarithmic scale. This means that every increase of one unit represents approximately 10 times the greater ground motion than the previous level. India divided into different seismic zones based on the earthquake risks. Zone 2nd, very low risk. Zone 3rd, low risk. Zone 4, moderate risk. Zone 5 is high risk. And newly introduced zone in India, that is Zone 6, very high risk zone. Included Himalayas, Northeast India and the Kutch of the Gujarat. This is the pictorial diagram of the earthquake zones in India. Can earthquake be predicted? The answer is not actually. Scientists study certain indicators such as increased radon gases emission, unusual electromagnetic signals, and abnormal animal behavior. However, no scientific method can currently predict the exact time and the location of an earthquake. Now comes to the most important part of this video, safety measures. During the earthquake, stay calm, follow the rules, drop, cover and hold on. Take shelter under a stronger table or desk. Stay away from the window, glass and heavy furniture. Never use ele- elevators during the earthquake. If you are outdoors, move to an open area away from the buildings, trees and electric poles. For civil engineers, always promote earthquake resistance construction techniques and use quality structured materials such as ductile TMT reinforcement bar. Let's quickly summarize today's lesson. Today's we learned what is an earthquake, the difference between the focus and epicenter, types of seismic waves, causes of earthquake, global seismic belts, earthquake measurements, seismic zones of India, and essentially earthquake safety measures. Remember, earthquake cannot be prevented, but their impact can be significantly reduced through the proper engineering, awareness, and preparedness. If you found this video helpful, please like, share, and subscribe to Easy Civil Concept by Sushant sir. Don't forget to press bell icon so you never miss an upcoming civil engineering updates. Thank you for watching. See you in next video. Until then, stay safe, keep learning and keep building a better future. Thank you.